Hello, welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games. I've got two ZD012 drones for sale. Each is boxed. I've got a third one I can show you in more detail, so I'll put those away. I've been testing this ZD012. It's a GPS drone. It comes with the drone, which has a battery in the body, a second battery, a remote control, instructions in Chinese and English, and as we shall see, an almost pointless instruction manual for the app. 4 spare leaf blades, screwdriver and micro USB charger. I've been testing mine and this drone is fantastic, handles really nicely. Right, so I'll just unfold it. And we'll just get straight down to business. So to use the drone, turn it on. Now we're operating this inside, so we'll turn off GPS. Long press GPS button. It would help if I turned on the controller. Long press GPS. It does have optical flow, so it hovers quite nice and steadily indoors. Calibrate the gyroscopes. Left stick down left, right stick down right. The lights flash, that's done. And there are 2 ways to take off when you're indoors. You can press unlock to start the blades, and then press the button again for auto takeoff. Press the button again for auto land. Long press for 2 seconds for emergency motor cut. I don't want to fly it indoors, but I'm just going to quickly take off a couple of inches and land it immediately using the second takeoff method, which is just to up throttle, and I'm going to down throttle to land it instantly. There we go. I was flying this earlier with my AI robot companion and great success. I've tested the app. When you connect the phone, it connects alright, it'll take photos okay, but it will not take videos. And I've now tested it on Android 7, Android 10, Android 13. So don't buy this for the camera, buy it because it's an awesome starter drone. It handles really well. The GPS functionality of return to home works, so when you're outdoors, as you'll see in a moment in the video, if you don't press GPS button for 2 seconds to take it out of GPS mode, it defaults to GPS mode when you turn it on, and it functions completely as described or better. And by that I mean it returns to home automatically when you press return to home. It returns to home automatically on low battery. it descends very slowly, and mine cut out before it successfully landed. Put in the other battery, just fine. It's a tough little drone. It says it'll return to home if you lose signal. What I found was it will not fly out of signal range. It just will refuse to fly out of signal range. So another time I'm going to test it. What happens if I turn the controller off? Will it return to home? But as far as I've tested it so far, it works brilliantly, but not to record video. That just seems a no-go. Link in the description to selling this on eBay. I also include a landing pad and a drone flash. And I also sell spare rotor blades. This is a fresh battery, and this time I'm gonna time it as well. So I'll go through the calibration process again. So we turn on the drone first, then turn on the controller, and now we wait for it to find at least 7 satellites. Now, geomagnetic compass calibration. Press the button, horizontal rotation, clockwise as you look down. Nose down, clockwise as you look down. Finally, gyroscope calibration, left down left, right down right. Then we're good to go. And I'm going to set the old stopwatch going. Right, I'm going to risk seeing if it will return to home automatically when it's out of range of the controller. So let's just see what happens. In fact, would my AI robot like to follow the drone? Please. Thank you, AI robot. tested it, it really would fly away from me when it got to a certain distance and then it would stop going any further. I was trying for about 5 minutes to get it to fly away and it just wouldn't go further than that. So that's an incredibly good feature. I didn't say your name, did I? That's alright then, AI robot. That's quite a good accuracy on return to home. I'm just gonna want to keep this one going to test the battery duration. We're currently on 6 minutes. I can't believe how that refuses to fly out of range. Oh, some people arrived on the scene. Let's stay away from them. I'll tell you what, this is so easy to fly, this drone. It's incredibly easy to control. It's very stable and well handling, this drone. And like, say you're totally new to this and you think, oh no, I'm losing control. We just press return to home. And then you think, oh, actually I've got control now, so I can just start moving the joystick around again, and you can interrupt its return to home. You see, while it's on return to home mode, the lights flash, and then they'll stop flashing if you cancel it. So I'll do that again, return to home. And now I'm going to interrupt it and you'll see the lights stop flashing. And so I'm backing off. Alright, that's low battery indicator, so let's come down. It's a slow descender, this one. Right, the automatic return to home kicks in now anyway. Oh, yeah, to kill the motors, that's right, long press the takeoff key and that will kill the motors. And that's one battery, and that was 9 minutes, well it says 50, we'll call it 9 minutes 30.